Malapit na ang Asian Games. Ang Gilas Pilipinas ay wala pa ding coach matapos magbitiw ni Chot Reyes. Nagkataon naman na si Reiko Toroman ay nasa bansa. Si Toroman, na tumulong simulan ang National Team Program ng SBP, ay nagbalik bansa bilang consultant ng Benilde sa NCAA at Converge sa PBA. Nang tanungin kung handa siyang pumasok muli bilang head coach ng Gilas Pilipinas, ang veteranong Serbian coach ay nagpahayag ng kagustuhan. I came here to work with Converge and Benilde. I'm working now. If somebody mentions me for the Gilas coaching post, okay, then I'll see what to do. For the moment, nobody called me and I think that my focus is for Converge and Benilde. Pero tanggapin kaya niya kung sakaling ialok? Why not? I was talking about how I feel comfortable here even when I was coaching Gilas 10, 15 years ago. The people recognize me and they are very thankful. I was talking with a lot of people and I felt very comfortable. It was an honor for me and a pleasure to be back here with some of these teams. Ang pagkuha kay Toroman bilang replacement head coach kahit panandalian lamang, ay medyo malayo sa katotohanan dahil kailangan isaalang-alang na nagkaroon ng lomet ang relasyon niya at ng MVP group. Gayunpaman, sinabi ng veteranong coach na hindi niya iniisip ang tungkol sa pagkuha sa kanya para sa posisyon. I was not thinking that I can be the next coach of Gilas. That was out of my mind. I'm just focusing on the things that I'm doing now. Anong sa tingin nyo? Maganda bang kuhanin ulit si Coach Toroman para sa Gilas? Let me know sa comment section. Nagustuhan nyo ba ang video? Please like and subscribe naman dyan.